Happy Tuesday, everyone. Today is November 8th, 2020. My name is Sung Park. These are my credentials, and here's my weekly update for AddPicto. Let me just share my screen. Okay, I'm going to move this over here. So this is something that we're currently working on. We're working on adding additional tiers, and I'll quickly go over what that means. So essentially, we have these two tiers that it's currently existing now, which is the 90-day free trial. So whenever you install AddPicto, the add-on into your Google Workspace, you have a 90-day free trial. And then you could decide to upgrade if you so desire. That will give you all of the functionality that is currently there. But the two additional tiers that we're going to be adding is what we're calling Creator and Creator Admin. So this is what it would look like. This is, again, the free 90-day trial. You can see it says 90-day trial and then an end date. Business, which would give you all of the functionality that currently is there. And by functionality, that means the ability to create a mask, insert it, being able to then edit that, infographics, where you could then create an infographics and being able to edit that. So that's the basic functionality for business. Now, what is the difference between that and the creator? So you might have noticed that when I am using this, I have this thing called edit, which I could toggle on and off. So when I have this thing toggled on, now I can select one of these and actually modify the shape. Additionally, I can actually add additional shapes. It's the same for the infographics. So if I were to go over here and under unique infographic icons, I can select edit, and then I can essentially either add, edit, or delete any of these unique infographics. And then finally, under templates, I have the same ability. So when I say edit, I can actually enter in the URLs that I want to use as my, oh God, this is my cat, that I could have to point to as to where I want to see the templates. So all of that functionality would be available to the creators. The difference between that and the admin creator is that whatever you add, modify under the creator account, it's only visible to you. Whereas if you have the creator admin, whatever changes you make to, let's say, all of these unique infographic icons or the shapes, that would be visible to all of your domains. So if you had, let's say, I don't know, my name is Sung, so it could be sung at addpicto.com, and I was let's say a creator, it would, whatever changes I make would only be visible to sung at addpicto.com. That's it. But if I was a creator admin, then whatever I create would be visible to anyone with the addpicto.com domain. So that is the main difference. So again, the difference is the 90-day trial, you have the ability to add, edit, delete, mask, infographics. You'll have access to templates. Oh, God. And then, oh, geez, sorry about that. That's my cat. And then for the business, you'll have all of these same capabilities. It's not a trial. The cost will stay the same at $5 monthly or $40 yearly. This creator subscription, exactly as I've shown, and I'll give you an example of how that would look like. It'll look like this, where you can, again, add your own shapes, or you could add your own infographic icons. You can edit it, all of that. And again, that would be only accessible to your email address. And we're thinking about a price range or a subscription rate of $10 monthly or $100 yearly. And then finally, for the creator admins, we're still depending TBD on what the price would be for a yearly subscription. But again, the main difference between these two is that the creator account will allow you to edit things that's only visible to your email address, whereas the creator admin would allow you to edit things and it is visible to anyone in that domain. So that's what we're working on. And once we make additional progress, I will share with you how that works. Alrighty, well, have a great rest of the week, and I will talk to you next Tuesday. Bye.